Happy Peeps, Suzanna here today to share with you my latest Tuesday morning haul. So I have 2 paper pads, one designer's collection paper and embellishment kit, and then some other goodies. So I will start with the kit. So this is Good Old Days from Fancy Pants. There are 10 papers, 2 of each of 5 patterns, and then a coordinating embellishment set. So those are the silicone embellishments. And these are the papers. So I have this from a scrap room kit, so I have other embellishments, which is good, so that'll go a little further. So there's this kind of purpley mauvey color with the map, and then there's this turquoisey blue aqua and the rulers. I have used this and a couple of these others for a large photo layout with shadows. This is the journal cut apart cards and lined paper. These look like water droplets if you go this way. Looks kind of like rain to me. Not sure what it's supposed to be. And then this is the red floral. You can see that. And then this is another floral with red and just those simple dots. So some really nice basics that you could use. And again, like I said, I have the embellishments, and that'll just extend that kit a little bit more for me because I'm more of a pattern paper user. All right. I also have 2 paper packs. I'm a little bit more judicious about buying paper packs now because they are $4.99 each. And really, who needs 30 sheets, 20 sheets, but this I feel like I'll get a lot more use out of. So Happy Haunting, so Hocus Pocus is the collection from Simple Stories, and while it is Halloween, I feel like I can use all of these colors, and I just really like that color combination. And then there's the plaid on the back, and I remember I got the stars that goes with this as well. So I do at least have 2 coordinating pieces if I were to go with this color palette. Then I also got this, so there's 15 sheets of this. It's double-sided from crepe paper from the confetti collection, and what I like that this is a basic background that I could use for a lot of layouts. I really like that circle. I thought it would be fun to hand stitch some of these in, or maybe do X's, so just a generic background, and that could be used too, but bought primarily for that. Then I also got 3 more ink sets. So I know you saw that I got the Hero Arts inks, but you can see, so this one shows you all 4 of the colors. So for $4.99, I still am on the hunt for the elusive ink that I love. Those are the 4 colors there: Cocoa, Royal Red, Pale Tomato, and Fresh Peach. Then for this one, I really like this color palette too. There's just some unusual color palettes for me. Soft Cantaloupe, Pool, Wet Cement, and Soft Olive. I don't know about that, but I love those 3 there. And then I don't have these Kelly Perky colors, and I really like my Kelly, Clearly Kelly inks. And again, another really kind of neat color palette. Similar to this in a way, but I like this. So, of course, the names are not on this, but some more Kelly Perky inks, and this is the Kelly's Urban collection there. So those were both $4.99, and those are actually from December. My store also had them in December, but they only had the one that I picked up, and so these are 3 different ones. Also, I picked up, I know this is old, way old, coming up on 2 years old, but I've gotten into using these teeny tiny little labels layered on top of other labels or tags. December Daily kind of opened up that can of worms for me, so I felt for $1.49 this was a necessary item, and I think it may actually have been on clearance even though there's no sticker there. This was a fun find. So this was in with the calendars. It's expandable and it becomes a pencil case. And I also discovered inside there are 2 extra little pouches, which you can't see. So if I put the scissors there, see how that's a separate pouch, and then there's one next to it. So just a pretty little, and I love that cork storage there. All right, what else did I find? I found another Simple Stories So I'm sure I showed you the Simple Stories embellishment packs that I got before. So this is another 3-pack with this stencil, which is why I picked this up from Best Year Ever. And then these are the Going Places enamel dots, and these are the Going Places embellishments, which I may have picked up. I don't know, but a lot of them are tags and labels, and I really like that cloud, so I figured I could use that, put that to good use. Then, new to me, I also picked up this Vitamin C 6x6 paper pad, and I've used this for a scrap room kit. So this will give me more embellishments to use more papers and the paper pad. And I'm not going to open it, but for $4.99, that is all of the embellishments that came with that. I hope you can see against the glare of these lights. And then this is actually 2 of the same thing, labels and tags, but I use a lot of labels and tags, so I figured that would get good use as well. And last but not least is this die set, Thinlits from Sizzix, $6.99. I do a lot of florals, and I liked the leaves and the flowers and the way you can mix and match those. And so I figured that would be fun, especially with my thermal web goodies. So my finds for today, if you have questions about any of it, please don't hesitate to let me know. I will see you soon. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.